just because you pass away doesn't necessarily mean the bank is going to say, oh, that's okay. You can miss those payments. We understand. It's going to take you some time. No, credit card companies do not say, oh, that's okay. He passed away. I understand. You can miss those payments. No. And if the role is reversed and we're in a situation where the wife is the one that was doing all the bookkeeping, all the paying of the bills, and she's the one that passes away, it is going to take a long time for those widowers to figure out what bill needs to be paid. I remember Nelson telling me that he prepared Mary to be a widow. And he said to her, you get to pay all the bills. I am done doing anything. It is all yours now. And a bill came and she said, well, Nelson, what do I do with this? He said, Mary, I don't know. I'm dead. What's so funny? And I mean, it's funny, but it's not funny, right? It's reality. I think sometimes I want to say, I don't know, Scott, I'm dead. Because it's so easy to ask the person that's handling that. And we don't have to try to figure it out. So if we give them this influx of money through death benefit, my gosh, they don't have to worry about, how do I get into that bank account? How much is in that bank account? What loan do I have at the bank? What did he just buy? What's happening with the loan officer? Because frankly, not every spouse is on the same page. Not every couple's on the same page to know exactly where all this money is going, right? Where is all of this stuff? Do you have it organized? Jolene Brown talks about this all the time. The best thing she gave to her daughters was a piece of paper that was rolled up and said, here is everything you need to know. This is what you're going to need. There is so much emotion behind when somebody passes that we forget about that piece of it when we're looking at buying a policy. Please don't tell me they can just sell everything. It'll be okay. No, it's not going to be okay. It's going to be harder. This is hard. Very, very hard. And everybody is going to process that differently. And so you should have something there to make sure that they are protected and it's easily accessible to have access to money.